Hello, Chef here once again in one of the kitchens. I've got 2 pounds of mushrooms here. These are the premium button mushrooms, or in French, champignon. Really nice mushroom here. Beautiful. So these are so clean and so nice, I'm not even going to trim the bottoms. They're beautiful. Perfect mushrooms. I'll move these off to the side. Of course, one of my favorites. Garlic. Got a bulb of giant, colossal garlic here. So we're going to start with just a couple of pieces of garlic like this. Why not go 3? We'll go kind of heavy on the garlic. This other stuff out of the way here. And I'm going to just smash it down using the side of my Japanese Santoku knife here. Got to be careful, this thing's like a razor, but very strong. Okay. Quick peel like that. This is the right way to peel garlic. It's fast, it's efficient, it's easy, good to go. All of this ends up in the stock later. Alright. Just gonna give this a little slice like this. Rough chop. Oh yeah, looking good. Of course, the bench scraper. Move that off to the side. Okay. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, then you don't know about the mushroom test. But anyway, there's a test on the channel. Subscribe right here. Check out the channel and take the mushroom test. Mushroom test is good. You do 1 pound of mushrooms as fast as you can, trying to keep all 10 fingers. Yeah, so I like to do this from time to time. There's half of the mushrooms right there. So you keep your fingers rolled back and you do a consistent cut. Here we go. Okay, I'm all done. That's a pound of mushrooms there, ready to go. I do believe there's someone faster out there, but haven't met him yet, so we'll see about that. Alright, now these are just going to get sauteed. I'll be back. Oh yeah, I like the sizzle. Looking really, really good. A little more oil there. By the way, when I'm done with my expensive knives, I clean them hot soapy water and wipe them off by hand. Never ever into the dishwasher or the sink. Mushrooms go in. Fresh ground pepper. sea salt. Oh yeah, smells so good. Grandma Giovanni's wooden spoon. Oh yeah. And you let it cook. Okay, those mushrooms are looking really good. Exactly what I'm looking for. So at this point, I like to put them in a pan to cool off. Just like that. Oh yeah. You can almost smell them through the camera. Oh, they're gonna be good. Yeah. Okay, I got these beautiful little tomatoes here. I'm just gonna carefully pop off the tops and give them a slice. Consistent cuts. Alright, got this awesome head of romaine here. It's looking really good. It's very crispy and fresh. Tightly packed. I like it. I'm going to use half of the head of romaine. Some of these mushrooms from earlier. Just gonna put a few right across the salad like this. Nice portion. Okay, I've also got some Kalamata olives. These come from Greece. Oh yeah, Kalamatas. Parmigiano Reggiano. A little bit of olive oil across there. As well as some sea salt. And a touch of, this is 20-year balsamic reduction here, really thick like syrup. Oh yeah. Please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Tell us what you think about this salad. I can already tell you, oh, it's gonna be good. You could obviously add some hard-boiled eggs or grilled chicken to this. That would be really, really good. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Support your sponsor. Keep cooking and have a great day. Yeah. Almost forgot. Hot, crispy pita bread. And right on top of there, a little bit of truffle oil. Just a few drops. This stuff's expensive. Oh, yeah. That's gonna be good. Presentation for a fresh fruit cup right there. You get maximum protection and you still have a full range of movement with your hand and the fingers. So it's pretty cool. And this is made in the USA. I like that. Great quality. Oh yeah, looks good. Just like that. The sponsor's having a sale on these boost blocks. Really nice. This one here is the gathering block. It's about 200 pounds. It's end grain rock maple, and it's been used for over 10 years. Yeah, not too big, not too heavy, easy to move around, super high quality, and you're buying an heirloom. This will last for generations as long as you take care of it. When you notice your cutting board's getting a little bit dry, a little rough, and the color gets a little lighter, it's time to break out the oil. You can use the mystery oil, or you can use the board cream, or you can use the elixir. It doesn't really matter which product you use. It's just important to maintain the board. And one more thing, if your cutting board and your counter height is not ideal, you can add another cutting board like this. Just drop another one on top, you're good to go. Now you can achieve a more comfortable, relaxed position for cutting, chopping, cooking on, and it's better on your back and your body, and it's more comfortable in general. So I wanted to show you those things. I'm going to oil these boards, and I'll be right back.